It's that time of year. Here we are in Murph preparation. We are going to be prepping for the workout Murph, which is running, pull-ups, push-ups, squats, and a little bit more running. So here we are. This is going to be Murph Prep 26.1. It is going to be the first week. We're going to ease into it and we're going to get ourselves nice and primed for the final event, which is at the end of this month. We are going to start off today with a buy-in. I know there's no actual jump rope in the actual workout Murph, but we are going to get our heart rate up. It's going to be similar to like a run. All right, so today we're going to start off with a buy-in of 100 double unders. Then we move into the meat and potatoes. That's going to be 20 rounds of 5 pull-ups and 10 air squats. Yes, that's going right, 20 rounds. And then once we finish those 20 rounds, we're going to go ahead and go into our cash out, which is 100 more double unders. Now, as we move through this workout, I understand that for some of us, we are not yet able to complete some of these skills, and that's okay. We have scales for everyone. If you're unable to do your double unders in the buy-in, we can go ahead and abbreviate the number of reps. We can go from 100 to 75 to 50, and then we have 25 double unders. If you're doing 25 double unders, you are also going to include 75 singles. So 25 double unders, then you go into 75 singles. We are also going to have 10 double unders with 90 singles as our scale. And then finally, 10 double under attempts, followed by 90 single unders, all right? So that's gonna be the scale. Whatever you did here in the buy-in for those double unders, you will also do the same thing for the cash out unless something goes catastrophically wrong and the double unders decide to leave you forever, all right? If that's the case, go ahead and scale down for both. However, we're trying to go ahead and have the cash out be the same as the buy-in, all right? Now, when we get to that middle portion of the workout, the 20 rounds, the real part of the workout, we might need to scale this. We can scale the whole workout. Instead of 20 rounds, you can do 15 rounds or 10 rounds. That means you're still keeping 5 pull-ups and 10 of those air squats as a whole, but you're just reducing the number of rounds that you do. Okay, we can also scale it another way. Instead of scaling the number of rounds, we're gonna scale the reps. So instead of 5 pull-ups, you can do 3 pull-ups, you can do 1 pull-up, or you can do a 1 pull-up attempt plus 4 kipping swings. All right, so we wanna get some time under tension. So if you're somebody who's close to a pull-up, you may jump up, get an attempt. That was a terrible attempt on my part, but attempt no less. And then we go ahead and go into kipping swings. That's going to be an arch and a hollow, forward and back, all right? And then we'll go ahead and move on. You can also scale as the final scale 5 kipping swings instead of 5 pull-ups. So for some of us, we need to start working our grip, all right? And if the pull-up's not there yet, we're going to go ahead and put some time into that hang. And again, it's forward and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come down, do your air squats, all right? 10 air squats should be manageable for everybody, so there is no scales for that. However, if you do feel like you need to scale the squats in any capacity, go ahead and talk to your coach or use your best judgment. If you're in class at Training Yard, talk to your coach, all right? This workout is gonna take roughly about 20 minutes, so go ahead and prepare for that. And we're gonna go ahead and really try to push the pace. Keep your intensity high in areas that you know you can. If double unders are a no problem type of movement, go ahead and push the pace there. We also know that for a lot of us, air squats are not gonna be a kind of a cog that's gonna be slowing us down. So we're gonna go ahead and try to move through that pretty fast, okay? Use your arms, be efficient, and get after it.